Hello, fellers and fellettes. I'm so glad that you're here. Thank you for coming back and standing through another one of these episodes. So, I guess you see this right here. Well, this is my RCA one. This is the one that I told you I was going to clean it out too, because I like it a whole lot better. So, if you want to go through that, we'll stick around, all right? All right, dude. So I figured the first thing that we'll do about this bad mamma jammer is, did I say that this was OAM Garage 2? No, I did. I mean 2? No, I don't think it did. All right, so anyway, here's the RCA surround sound, right? All right, let's go back. The sun is playing tricks on me because, here, let's flip this around. All right, you see all that? Yeah. Yeah, this is a little bit more versatile. Got all the place for your speakers and where did that the sub right here. No, that's monitor. Here's sub. And so anyway, all right. So you notice right off that yes, this one's dusty too. So this one happens to be, but it's closed up. It's right in front of where Gracie sleeps, so if it's got hair in it, it wouldn't surprise me. Oh, what do you do, right? Well, all right, so the first thing we're gonna do, well, no, it's not. This is the first thing we're gonna do. One more time. Now that we got that out the way, by the way, I'm cold. It's cold, but what do you do, right? It's cold. I think it's 25 right now. Nah, it's not really that cold. Is it? Yeah, it's 25. So what do you do? All right, let's make sure this is in reverse. If it is, let's put it in 2 so I can hurry. All right, let's put that right there. Let's do it again. You know, I've never taken these never taken this one apart, so the plan of attack here is to take the cover off of it and then see how dirty it is on the inside. Blow it out first, then hit it with some brake cleaner, and then blow it out again, and then let it have a couple of hours to dry, and that'll be about it. Hopefully we'll find a lot of dirt around one of the capacitors that seems to be cutting this thing off, or whatever it is that's cutting this thing off. I think I have to take them out. Those little ones, make sure you remember that they go in the back. And I don't think I need to take 2 of them out, because no, gotta take 2 out down here too. Yep. Alright, so let's take this here cover off. Now, why are you doing like that? Why are you? Get up, get up! There we go. Oh, it ain't that dirty. I didn't think it would be. In fact, it ain't dirty hardly at all. So I think I'll just blow it out. All right, I'll let you look at it and you tell me what you think compared to that other one. Good Lord. Remember that other one was just blanketed in felt almost. This one here looks pretty good. I don't really see a whole lot of. Alright, so I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to just blow it out. Alright, so look over here. There's my new compressor, like the one that got, well, that one actually, I had a pancake kind in the back of my truck that got stole, so this is an A-Bear Freight one that I decided to go with the elongated tank. Alright, so I'm going to cut that thing on, and I know it's going to get loud, so I'm going to let you hear music while I do that. Alright? Alright, let's do it. At least let's try it. Where's the on-off button on this? Okay, so I can't remember where they put there. When you're doing this, the main thing you want to try to do is to clean off the heat sinks. That's a heat sink, that's a heat sink, that's a heat sink. These are heat sinks. And you know, they really weren't that bad. I counted 6 different fuses. There's the fuses right there. There's 4 right there. And they're all good, looks like. This thing is built much better than the other one. This one has got plug-in cards, so if one of them goes bad, you can replace it. Same thing with, I mean, this thing is really built well. This one is an RCA. What is it? It doesn't have a number that I can tell. Here it is. Of course, it's upside down. Audio video receiver. I don't know, it doesn't say what. I'm sure it does, but it's like you want to hear all that. But this one has been taken well care of, I can tell you that. So I'm excited about it. I think that this one is going to be replacing the other one even as we speak, because I really like this one and I want it to go back because it has true surround sound. So I'm going to put it back together and let's see what happens. Bring all my screws over here. Oh. Yep, I think so. Alright, so let's get this back on. I am so glad that that wind is blowing, because it's not like it's been, you know, cold already. Let's put it back. Stop it! Little one's in the back. You didn't remind me of that, but I got it. I remembered. Really? So that's the way it's going to be here. I'm just going to... Okay, I know. Shouldn't be on two. Trying to get too fast here. What's going on here? What? Oh, okay. Alright. A little away now. Yep, that's what it was. Isn't it amazing that when you do things right, it works out? Alright, so that's that. Let me get a rag here. Alright, looks as good as the day it was born. What do I like to do after something goes back together? That's right. Alright, meet me in the house. Well, welcome to my humble abode. Alright, this is the one that I just cleaned up. This here is the one that's still in the rack. I'm going to pull it back and I'm going to move the wire from here to here. And I'm going to put my glasses on so I can see what I'm doing. Yeah, okay. So let's see if this thing here is going to show us anything. Maybe it will, maybe it won't. So, okay. Alright, so these, let's see here what we got. Alright, this one right here is actually supposed to be the one. Oh, what are you? Oh, you're an antenna. I don't care. Let's see here. Okay, so this is the one coming from Yander way, so we're going to put that on TV. We want that one up here on on TV. Now, where did I have it before? Let's see here. TV. Yes, this one is much more easier than the other one, so let's put that one on TV. What is this one here? Okay, that one is my DVD player. I'm sorry, DVD. That one is my CD player. Okay. This is my cat. Hey, baby Gibby. You know, Mama, keep out that boy. Alright, and I'm going to take these antennas out because there ain't no sense in doing that right now. I ain't listening to nothing. Alright, and what do we got here? Y'all are coming from over there too. So this unit down here has got a cassette player and a DVD. So this is the in. Okay. This is the in off of the what? That's the CD line out right there. Okay, and this one must be the cassette, and that would be right here and right here. Alright, and the other one is the out, which is going here. There we go. Alright, and that one's going to go to up here to there. Are y'all catching that? No, probably not. Alright, right there. Alright, so we're good there. Alright, and thank goodness, this is the whole reason I'm doing it, is because this one is my subwoofer for all of it, and it's going to go right there. No matter what plays, it plays a subwoofer. Unlike this one only plays subwoofer for the surround sound. So that's why one of the reasons I don't like this one down here. Alright, so, alright, this is the center. Here we are over here. Okay. Okay, rear. Center speaker right there. Could not be easier. This is red and black. Okay, get off of that. Okay, here we go. Look at there, blue and blue. Go figure. By the way, those are RCA speakers, so that's how come it's so easy. Easy like Sunday morning. Alright, and I ended up, let's see here what we got. Alright, I know that one. I know this one here is coming from that one up there, so that would be right side front. Alright, the main speakers, right side front. That's this one. Alright, how do you tell? Okay, there it is. That's the red one. Okay, there we go. There we go. Okay. Alright, and the other one that I had in there would have been a front, isn't it? Yes, it's a front. It's a rear, my bad. It's a rear. Okay. Alright. I'm sorry, it's a rear right. Alright, so that one goes there. And this one goes there. Okay. Alright. Not many more to go. Alright, these are front. And front. Now these. So that is it, my friend. Now let's unplug you. I paid $30 for this piece of junk, and now it will probably end up at the thrift store like some of you said that it would anyway. Alright, so you're probably right. Unless one of y'all want it. Because I do not. Alright, let's see if we can get this mess out of here. Yeah. Okay. Alright. But that was clear. Okay. Now we're going to take these wine, put this on the outside. Alright, and I'm trying not to take long on this because this is, I mean, you probably don't want to see this anyway. Alright, and I made if you can look at this, I made a antenna. Now where's my antenna on this one? Antenna. There we are. Okay, FM. I don't really care about that. Alright, let's put that one there. And we're going to put this one here. Believe it or not, this works. Okay, so that's all I'm going to do. I'm just hooking up my FM. And then we'll stretch these out and all that kind of mess. Alright, so now let's take these off. And now we're going to put these on. That's the only one I'm worried about. Yeah, see how tight it is. Alright. There we go. Alright. Dirty on the bottom, ain't it? Woo! Alright, so this one has the 4 things on it, so it's getting the air under it. Air on the side, air on the top. Okay, so make sure all my wires are still hooked up. Everything's good. Alright, I'll be back with you in a second. Let's see what it sounds like. You want to? I do. Well, what's this? How come this one right here ain't hooked up? Oh, because it came unplugged from right here. That's why you check. Okay. Alright. So let's turn it around now. Come this way with it a little bit. Set up my big speaker. Alright. We're going to cut it on for the first time in a while. Bring it forward. Okay, we're going to put it on let's put it on TV. You want to? I do. Alright, I'll get back in a minute. Let me set this up. Alright, so I've got it plugged up, and I'm fixing to play Becoming of Age. That's one of my songs that I play on OAM in the background. Now I want you to listen to the bass. I don't know if you're going to be able to hear it that much, but my subwoofer is sounding choice, which I never got to hear it on the other unit. So let's see what this sounds like. I just love a good sound. Alright guys, that's going to be it for today. I appreciate you coming around. I think this is the 8th episode. I'm not really sure. I don't know. But anyway, that's going to be it for today. This is OAM Garage number 2. Hey, God loves you. Why don't you do something for him to show him that you love him back? Alright? See you next time.